Hey guys, wanna recover your Instagram suspended account? Then this video is for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, if your Instagram account has been suspended, then I'm opening up my screen to show you how a suspended Instagram account look like and what message you receive from Instagram. You can see this message, this screen that tells you that you have violated some Instagram or Meta guidelines. It also says that this account is disabled, and if we can't confirm it, then it will permanently disable it. Also, there's a message that we have 30 days or these many days left with us to disagree with Instagram, so it could recheck its decision and re-review it. So the very first step is just tap on the disagree with decision button, that blue button. Tap on that to disagree with Instagram that you have suspended my account, but I haven't violated any of the guidelines from the community. That might walk you through various activities where you have to prove your identity by sending you an OTP on your email address or the registered mobile number you have linked with your Instagram account. Also, it may ask you for government ID proofs, and afterwards your account will be recovered in 3 to 4 business days. And if it doesn't work out, then go for this option. Just open up your web browser and search for Instagram account disabled. Down here you can see my Instagram account was deactivated. Tap on it. The website opened will ask you, is this account used to represent a business product or service? I'm selecting no cause mine is a simple one. Then it will ask you some basic information to fill this form, like your full name, your username, your email address and your country name. Afterward, tap on send button. Then again it will ask you to prove yourself by submitting your government official IDs like your passport, and you have to upload its picture, and please upload a valid one. Below there will be a tick box asking you that you have agreed with it and understand all the concerns. Tap on that and then tap on the send button. Then after the whole procedure, Instagram will get back to you in 3 to 4 business days, and hopefully after the whole procedure, Meta will activate your suspended account and you will definitely get it back. That's all in this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends if they have the same problem. I'll meet you in the next one. Just keep watching GetAssist.